Alright, so I haven't uploaded a video in a minute, but I just wanted to do a little review on these, the DJI mic minis. So these were $151 off of Amazon, $151 total. Comes with two mics and a transceiver is what I think this is. Every single time I use this on my car, I run it on the lowest setting, so it's minus 12 decibels right there. And you can move this knob, if I can do it with one hand. I just run it on 12 decibels. It should have two connections, one USB-C and then probably a lightning. Within the box, it comes with four of these little, they're called like dead cats, these little fuzzy things to protect the mic from the wind. Yeah, so far using these on that last video that I made, these actually hold on to the car really well. So I wouldn't worry about them falling off if you mount them on your car. I have hit like the max speed that you can go in the G, and these never fell off. So they also do come with a like a case or a bag that you can put this in. So I'm gonna mount these up and show you guys how it sounds. And I know you've already watched the video, but I'm also mount them in different locations this time. The video that I made before, I only mounted one mic, so this time I'm gonna try to set up both mics on the rear of the car, and then I'm also gonna try to set up a mic inside the engine bay just to see how it sounds. So I just wanted to do this video, just a quick little review, because I haven't made a video in a while. So yeah, let's go mount them up and see how they sound. Now I'm gonna mount the left microphone inside the engine bay, and you guys let me know. You guys let me know how it sounds. Alright, so you guys let me know what y'all think of the mics. The first setup was both of them near the exhaust or near the license plate, close to the exhaust. And then the second setup was, I think the right one was near the exhaust and the left one was actually inside the engine bay. This is just gonna be a quick video. You guys let me know. It sounds good. I'll have to listen back to it while I edit this, make sure it sounds good. But yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed. I'm not sponsored by these people, by DJI, but for the price, honestly, so far it's been pretty good for me. At least I haven't had any issues. So yeah, catch y'all guys later. Let me know what y'all think. I'm out, DB. That shit sounded nice as fuck, I ain't gonna lie. The motor noise with the exhaust, like, that shit is. Con el cuerno te llevo a la luna.